Freedman Seating's Show on the Go has left Chicago en route to major OEMs, dealers, operators, and industry events. Dave Rose will lead the third van tour with support from our dedicated and highly knowledgeable team of regional sales managers, Tamara Hobgood, Mike Beyerschmidt, and Jack Sullivan. A collection of transit and executive style seats have been installed in this 2017 Ford Transit 350. The Go seat features vinyl and nano-protected fabric by CMI, 3-point seatbelt, and Viper armrest. The G2 ELP driver seat by United States Seating features a P1M mechanical suspension and vinyl by Morburn. The 3PT seat features Rappel fabric by Abercrombie Textiles and 3-point seatbelt. The Esquire features plush fabric and Docket 90 vinyl by Chimera, USB power outlets, and an adjustable 3-point shoulder belt. The Palermo by FMS Seating features vinyl by CMI, 3-point seatbelt, new Messina armrest, and USB power outlets. The Trieste by FMS Seating features vinyl by CMI, 3-point adjustable shoulder belt, and the new Italia coach style armrest and recliner. Also on display is the Go ES flip seat with priority seating designation, vinyl by Morburn, and external 3-point seatbelt. The van is fitted with Smart Floor technology by Transit Works. This allows easy and quick moving of seats and wheelchair positions, topped with Altros Transfloor, a highly resilient and durable vinyl floor. Follow the tour on social media by using the hashtag #ShowOnTheGo or visit freedmanseating.com/ShowOnTheGo.